Welcome to today's 5-minute bioinformatics session. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, we'll explore the basic tools you need to get started with protein structure analysis using Swiss-PdbViewer. Swiss-PdbViewer, also known as DeepView, is a powerful and free molecular visualization tool that allows you to analyze, manipulate, and compare protein structures. Whether you're working on 1. Protein modeling, 2. Structural alignment, 3. Mutation analysis, 4. Binding site exploration, this software is a great starting point. Now, let's launch the software and get started. Next, go to the File tab and click on Open PDB File to load your structure. In this tutorial, we will use the X-ray crystal structure of D-acetosycephalosporin C synthase, also known as DAOCS, as our demonstration model. Next, click the Centralize button to recenter the protein structure for better visualization. Use the hand icon to move the structure around. Simply hold down the left mouse button and drag to reposition it. The third tool allows you to zoom in and out. Simply use the scroll wheel on your mouse to adjust the zoom level. Next, select the fourth tool to rotate the structure. Simply click and hold the left mouse button, then drag to rotate it in 3D space. Make sure to rotate and zoom the structure from multiple angles to explore and identify important features. Next, navigate to the Window tab and select Control Panel. This panel provides essential tools for managing chains, residues, and structural features. Next, go to the Side tab. Hold the Shift button, and right-click the mouse to deselect the amino acid side chains. Hold Shift and right-click again to display the amino acid side chains of all residues. You can use the same method to show or hide labels for all residues. Use this button to show the van der Waals surface or accessibility of the protein structure. Click this button to show the protein structure in ribbon representation. Use this button to customize the molecular colors. The drop-down menu allows you to choose how colors are applied, for example, in ball and stick or ribbon representations, helping to highlight specific features. Hold Shift and right-click the box to choose a ribbon color of your preference. The same procedure can be applied to color the backbone structure. You can also display only a specific portion of the peptide. Simply right-click, hold, and select the fragment you want to focus on. Activate the density map. Go to the Display tab and click Render in Solid 3D to view your structure in full 3D. Unclick the Density Map tab to view the backbone structure. Go to the Prefs tab and click 3D Rendering Parameters to adjust the size and appearance of atoms in your structure. Go to the Color tab to adjust the peptide's appearance according to accessibility, secondary structure, or specific amino acid properties. Next, go to the File tab and save your project in PDB format. Make sure to use a new file name so you don't overwrite the original structure. After finalizing your visualization, use the Save as Image option to export the structure as a high-quality image for presentations or publications. We sincerely acknowledge the institutions and agencies behind this platform, and we've included scientific citations for your reference and further reading. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.